To use the Oanda currency converter, first navigate to the Oanda website and click on the Currency Converter tool. This tool is a valuable resource for anyone who needs to convert currencies, whether for personal or business use. The next step is to select the currency you want to convert from, which is known as the base currency, and the currency you want to convert to, which is known as the quote currency. For example, if you want to convert US dollars to euros, you would select US dollars as the base currency and euros as the quote currency. Once you have selected the currencies, enter the amount you want to convert. You can enter a specific amount, such as 1,000, or you can use the default amount provided by the converter. The converter will then calculate the converted amount based on the current exchange rate. It is also possible to use the Oanda currency converter to convert multiple currencies at once. This is done by selecting the base currency and then adding multiple quote currencies to the converter. For example, if you want to convert US dollars to euros, pounds, and yen, you would select US dollars as the base currency and then add euros, pounds, and yen as the quote currencies. The Oanda currency converter also provides historical exchange rate data, which can be useful for tracking changes in exchange rates over time. This data can be used to identify trends and make more informed decisions about currency conversions. In addition to the currency converter tool, Oanda also provides a range of other resources, including currency charts, news, and analysis. These resources can be used to stay up to date with the latest developments in the currency markets, and to make more informed decisions about currency conversions. Overall, the Oanda currency converter is a powerful tool that can be used to convert currencies quickly and easily. By following these steps and using the converter in conjunction with other resources, you can make more informed decisions about currency conversions and stay up to date with the latest developments in the currency markets.